Local Market is officially back. Hey guys! It's almost weekend and you guys should definitely visit Local Market in Cebu RT Park. They are open from November 13 to November 16, 2025. And guys, let's show some love and support to our local entrepreneurs by visiting them and of course, buying their products. And guys, daghan kaayog na maligya, malingaw jud ka, and mabudol. From homemade snacks to baby stuffs, fashion accessories, perfumes, RTW, and many more. Basta local market gani, dili jud ka magutman. Kay daghang pagkaong baligya and for sure mabusog jud ang imong tiyan. And of course, let's rate some of their foods. We tried pungko-pungko sa Virginia, lami kaayo and lami sad kailahang sauce, and we would rate this 9.5. Next, kaning coffee and fruit sa bean and berry. I ordered the banana flavor. It was surprisingly good and I would rate this 8.5. Next, we also tried green apple lemon drink sa Casa Brew. It was so refreshing and I would rate this 8.5. And lastly, for desserts, we tried Ice Monkeys, Blue Dream, and Straw Candy, Eye Shave dessert, and it was really good. We would rate this 9/10. We really had fun sa local market, and if ikaw wala pa kakabalo asa mula karong weekend, visit local market and salamat sa pagtanaw.